Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Xbox 360 and unplug every cable. Wait 5 minutes so residual charge dissipates. Once done, remove the faceplate and then the hard drive. Label screws and parts as you go. Make sure to work on a clean, static-free surface and use a Phillips #1 and a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. You're doing this to access the laser assembly and to prevent accidental shorts. This setup saves time and prevents common mistakes before the repair steps. You'll now inspect and clean. Open the DVD tray area and find the optical pickup and small toothed belt. Carefully look for broken gears, loose screws, or a slack belt. These cause read errors. Clean the lens with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab using gentle circular motions. Do not press hard and avoid touching circuit traces. Once the lens is clean, check the tray motor and sled alignment. Make small tension adjustments to the belt so the pickup moves smoothly without skipping. You finish by reassembling the console in reverse order, making sure every connector is firmly seated and screws are properly tightened. Once assembled, boot the Xbox 360 with a known good, clean disc so you can hear spindle and tracking behavior. Consistent smooth sounds mean success. If the console still won't read, try a laser recalibration or swap the optical pickup assembly. These fix worn lasers. One troubleshooting tip. If intermittent reading occurs, test multiple discs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.